Hello everybody and welcome to another video. This is the second part of the CSS Garden where you learn about the grid system by playing a game. I leave in the description box the URL for the game as well as my solutions. Level 1 through 11 is on my previous video, which I will also leave in the description box. So now I'm going to start from level 12 and I think that you're ready to go. One of the things that sets CSS grids apart from Flexbox is that you can easily position items in 2 dimensions, columns and rows. Grid row start works much like grid column start, except along the vertical axis. Use grid row start to water these carrots. Okay, let's do that, and I will hit 3, and yes, I think it's great. So let's go to level 13. Now give the shorthand property grid row a try. Okay, grid row, and if I remember correctly from the previous time, yes, that's it. So let's go to level 14. Excuse me. Use grid column and grid row at the same time to set position in both dimensions. Okay, so I got grid row and also I got grid column. I think that it's column 2, whereas the row is 5, I guess. Great. Let's go to level 15. You can also use grid column and grid row together to span larger areas within the grid. Give it a try. Alright. Grid column, let's say 2 out of 6. Since it's 2, and here we have 5 and 6, and then I will give it a try of grid row, and again let's say 1 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, sorry, it's row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, again we have 6. Perfect. So now you're at level 16. If typing out both grid column and row is too much for you, there is yet another shorthand for that. Grid area accepts 4 values separated by slashes. It starts, start, row, column, and then end and end. Again, it's like row and column. And here is an example of grid area 1, 1, 3, and 6. So here we have this part here, which is row start, column start, and grid row and grid column and. Okay, I think I'm going to have something like 1, then 2, then 4 and 6, I guess. Okay, let's do that. And now at level 17, I think it's like the same thing, but this time is like 2, 3, and then 5 maybe, and 6. Yes, that's definitely it. Oh, I'm so happy with this. Okay, so now we are at level 18. If grid items aren't explicitly placed with grid area, grid column, row, etc., they are automatically placed according to in their source code. We can override this using the order property, which is one of the advantages of grid over table-based layout. By default, all grid items have an order of 0. But this can be set to any positive or negative values similar to z-index. So here it says change the order of values of the position to fix this right away. Okay, right away. I'll give it an order to means we have this. Great, so now let's go to level 19, and I think that this will be my last level for now. So the water and poison are alternating, even though all of the weeds are at the start of your garden. See the order of the poisons to remedy this. Okay, no grid area, sorry. We have order. I'll give it a try with -1. And yes, that's it. So thank you guys for watching. I will leave the solution in the description box as I said earlier, and if you did like the video, please consider share and subscribe. Thank you.